Now we are doing an activity on compressibility. Compressibility is a property of a substance. It allows the matter to change its value when we apply pressure. When we apply pressure, it means when we apply pressure, the volume of matter is changed. This property is called compressibility. Now you test the compressibility of solids first. Okay. Do you understand compressibility?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What material we take here? Come on.
Solids, liquids,
Yes.
gases.
Single.
Solids, liquids, gases.
Come on, you take this.
Syringe, pistol,
Piston garu, piston.
Nozzle.
Nozzle. Take the syringe. Fill it with solid pieces of chalk. Okay. Yes. Just move it. Use the piston and you press the piston. Yes, here. See here. If I press the piston, the solid are compressible or not?
Not compressible.
Come on, tell me. Is solid compressible or not?
Not compressible.
Not. Solids are
Not compressible.
not compressible.
Teacher.
Okay, solids are
Not
compressible. In this, we use piece of chalks. So in this we used pieces of chalk. This is the solid material. So solid material is not compressible. Solids are not compressible. Okay. Right. Next. Take the syringe and to suck the liquid. To suck the liquid, you fill the syringe completely. More. You take. Okay. This much is only coming.
Yes, teacher.
Right? Yes. You show the, just wait. You show this is a liquid.
This is a liquid.
Now you are going to compress the liquid. So you put your finger on the nozzle and compress with pressure the nozzle. You open this finger.
Not compressible.
No. Just you put like this. Yes. Oh, how you are feeling when pressing this piston?
Hardly.
Very hardly. So, just liquids are just a bit compressed. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Just a bit compressed. Right. Next. Now you have to do with the gas. There is gas in the room? Yes. Is there gas in the empty beaker?
Yes, teacher.
You use beaker or in the outside? You suck the piston. Not inside, outside. You said outside also air, you know. Yes. Just show it. Just first. In this piston, sorry, in this syringe, is there any matter in the syringe?
Yes, teacher.
Which matter is there?
Air.
Gas. Air. Gas. So you put your finger on nozzle and compress it. You press the piston. You stay for some minutes. Are you? We compress gas from here to here. You keep it tightly. Just wait. Okay. Right. We compress this much air to the smaller area. The volume of air is decreasing here.
Teacher.
While we press piston. Just like this. First you watch, I am sucking the air and I am putting my finger on nozzle. I am pressing the piston. So what happened here? The volume of air is decreased. The volume of air is decreased. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Right.